Hi, and welcome to the channel. If you're new around here, I'm Matt and this is Fiona, and we love to travel. In this next series, we try out van life in Ireland. Join us as we attempt to take on the wild Atlantic way. After having a great time in Kilkenny, we make our way down to Kinsale. Hey everybody, so we made it to Kinsale. We're right up here by Charles Fort, which is behind me, and you can see the bay, Kinsale Bay out there. That's what it's called. But yeah, it was a tricky road getting up here, but well worth it. We are going to walk around a little bit, and then probably will end up staying up here on the top of this hill for the evening. Wake up with this amazing view behind me. So can't wait to show you what we get up to. Stay tuned. Hey everybody, so we are headed back from the town center of Kinsale after a lovely evening out. We're walking back up to where?
Fort.
Charles Fort, and just going to enjoy the walk. It's going to be a little bit of a walk, but we're excited to take you along the way. Actually, that's a joke. Probably won't be filming much on the way, but once we get there, I'll do some filming, and you'll see what we're looking at. But Kinsale is an amazing little town right on the sea. We had some seafood tonight to really bring that home and just really enjoyed our time here in Kinsale. Tomorrow we're off to a new location. We'll let you know where that is next. Hey everybody, we made it back safe and sound. Van is super comfy. We're going to go ahead and crash for tonight, but we'll see you guys tomorrow to mark day 3 of hashtag Vanlife Ireland. Stay tuned. Good morning everybody. This is day 3 here in Ireland in the camper van. So today we're going to go maybe swing through Cork and officially go to the very beginning of the Wild Atlantic Way, which we'll be following for the next several days. So can't wait to show you what we see along the way. Good morning from Kinsale. I was just going to go and tour Charles Fort, and then we're going to get on the road. But that was our park up for last night, and it was pretty amazing. We woke up with some pretty stellar views, and let me show you into the fort.
Cookie, come on. Come on, Cookie. Come on, shit. Star fork is here.
That's the inside of Charles Fort. Wow. Very cool. Pretty cool. You can see where the cannons used to be, those little angled areas on the wall encasement there. So I opted not to go and take the full tour, but just to kind of give you an idea of what it looks like. Looks like it's in the shape of a star, a classic fort shape for defensive measures. But from here we're gonna head on to the beginning of the Wild Atlantic Way, and we'll be starting and following along that route for the next 5 days, really. So just wanted to kind of give you an idea of what Kinsale looks like in the morning. Though it's probably a little bit past morning, it's about 10:30 in the morning now, and we're excited to go and do some more exploring. So I'll wait to show you what we get up to. Alright everybody, we made it back. Fiona's over there giggling, but we made it back safe and sound. We hiked about 1.5 miles into Kinsale and came back 1.5 miles. So we did about 3 miles. Hey everybody, so we are... Alright everybody, we made it back to the van safe and sound. And... Oh man, okay. Alright folks, we made it. Alright everybody, we made it back Fiona's over there giggling, but we made it back safe and sound. We hiked about 1.5 miles into Kinsale and came back 1.5 miles. So we did about 3 miles.